Yo guys, big news. The head for the Prelude is finally done and I'm about to go pick it up. But before I do that, I need to get the lube into the garage. Woo! So this Civic has got to go. Yeah. It's still really early in the morning and I had the entire day off, so we might get the lube running, we might not. Who knows? But first we gotta take this bumper off, and I gotta take the bumper off on the Prelude. That way I'll be able to push the Prelude up into the garage all by myself. Yo guys, I gotta interrupt this video real quick to tell you about new merch drop. Hey. If you got a 5th gen Prelude, you need this because we've all been through this. You know, we're still working on it. You can see in my background, I'm still working on this thing. But yeah, it's 100+ degrees here in Texas. So why would you want a black t-shirt? You know what? I got you. Bam! We got tank tops too. That way you don't have to worry about getting tan lines like me. But oh, wait, you got too much clothes? It's all good, I got you. I got coffee mugs too. If you don't need no clothing, bruh, I got you. If you drink coffee, why not? Or if you're gonna pour beer in here, sure. Water? Okay. Whatever floats your boat. But wait, you don't drink water or nothing? Oh, it's all good, it's all good. If you don't need no clothes or a coffee mug, boom! We got a freaking banner, bruh. You know you need one of these in your garage. And even if you don't have a garage, you need one of these just to have one of these. Woo! So, yo, what you waiting for? Check out the website, jadinggeek.com. Check out the merch. And oh yeah, and we got hats too. Prelude curse still. But alright, back to the video. Okay, just made it back home, picked up the head. And man, I gotta say it looks really clean. It looks almost brand new. This is what we've been waiting for the past about 2 months now. Man, this thing is ready to go. I do gotta install the cams and whatnot, do a valve lash, but hey man, the head's good. The valves are installed and reseated. Compression is good, head's resurfaced. Let's go. Now, I shouldn't rush it, but the goal for today is to get the lube running. I got an entire day to get this done. It's probably gonna be a lot of cinematics because I really wanna focus in and make sure everything's good. So, you guys just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's do this thing. Yeah. Hey, this is my cousin LJ. Hello. This is my cousin Johnny.
Ew, stop.
Okay, time for the moment of truth. Everything's back in. We're about to start the motor. Oh, what the? Oh, I gotta put my foot on the clutch. I think so. Oh shit, I got no clutch.
You got no clutch?
What? We gotta burp the clutch. Alright, press on it.
Alright. Down.
Up.
Up.
Down.
Oops. Yeah, down.
Up.
Up.
Oh yeah. Round 2. We got clutch this time.
Oh yeah.
Whoa!
What?
Nah, just kidding. We're just trying to build up pressure in the oil pump.
Well, we don't know how.
That sounded way better, right? Compared to the
Yeah.
first try? Yeah. Key note, when you rebuild a motor, you gotta make sure you build oil pressure. Otherwise, you might destroy everything you just rebuilt.
Yeah. Nah, this is it, cuz 100%.
6 months of waiting. Let's see if it's over.
Hey! Whoa.
That was like instant. What the fuck?
Yeah.
What the hell was that? Alright, let me double check everything in the engine. Do you hear that? Ooh! She's alive! Oh yeah! This is the first time the Lude has ran in 6 months. Hey! It does sound really loud. I'm gonna let it run for a while. Let the system burp. Hopefully everything settles down. Woo. Hopefully no more. Hopefully we're not gonna have any more black fumes on the rear bumper. Alright guys, I just got off of work and I'm really excited about this. I'm pretty sure I got everything figured out now. Whew, this thing's been stressing me out. But I think my final issue is that I had my spark plugs hooked up incorrectly. From right to left, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And on the distributor, it's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4. What I had was 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. I don't know, but it wasn't set up this way. So I think we're good now. Let's give it a shot. Oh man, so much trial and error. Ouch. Ooh. Now that's what it's supposed to sound like. We got some vibrating, but it ain't as bad as it was. Okay. Let's go check out the motor. When I had the spark plugs hooked up incorrectly, the motor was shaking really hard, and I guess it was misfiring. So, ooh, it looks nice and still now. Hey, okay. So I'm talking to boot. All right, I don't know where I left you guys off at, but I was having a misfire issue, and all I did was replace the spark plug, and everything sounds good. The idling sounds fine, but the only issue right now is that it's smoking a lot. I let it run for like 30 minutes now, but it's still going. So I don't know, man. It doesn't smell sweet, so it's not cooling. But there's another weird thing. Let me show you. For some reason, I do have like engine oil seeping through the headers. I don't know if you can really see it, but yeah, there's no spill anywhere else from the head, so I don't know, man. For some reason, I guess that's engine oil leaking from somewhere, and that's why the exhaust is causing all the smoke. But hey, man, I'm freaking excited. The Lude runs. I can move it up and down the hill. I can go park it on the side of the apartment. I really want to watch it, but I don't know, man. Maybe I should give it a rest for now. Do it another time, but I guess I do need to take the engine back apart and see what could be causing the issue. If you got any ideas, let me know. I guess I'm burning engine oil for whatever reason, and somehow it's ending up on the header. But you know, the lude's running. Rebuild was successful-ish, besides this problem. But yeah, yo, look forward to more Prelude content. I'll see you on the next one. Yeah. Oh, and don't forget to check out the website, jadandgeek.com. Prelude shirts, hop on it. Yeah.